Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the control scope process of project management. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future. So this is a very interesting important topic for you. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, the control scope is a process that is probably one of the most crucial in maintaining the scope baseline and changes the scope baseline whenever necessary. The project managers will mainly look to avoid scope creep, which is a process where the scope is expanded in an uncontrolled manner. Control scope is the process of monitoring the status of the project and product scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. The control scope is a process that allows the scope baseline to be maintained throughout the life cycle of the project. Control scope is a process of monitoring the status of the project and product scope and managing changes to the scope baseline. The key benefit of this process is that the scope baseline is maintained throughout the project. Now the input for this process is basically, first one is the project management plan. Examples are like scope, requirement, change management, configuration management, scope baseline, and performance measurement baseline. Project documents is another input for this process, which include the lesson learned register, requirement documents, requirement traceability matrix. Next is the work performance data. Friend, work performance data is a method that documents the number of change requests received, the number of approved changes, and also the number of project deliverables completed. Next is the organizational process assets, which include any particular policies and procedures that have been laid down by the performing organization regarding scope management. It also covers aspects like formal and informal scopes that exist in a company and also looks into the methods of monitoring and reporting. The tools are basically data analysis, which basically includes variance analysis. Variance analysis is a method that used to determine the degree and cause of differences that occurs between the project baseline and the actual performance happening during the execution stage. Another is the trend analysis. Trend analysis is the method used to examine a project performance from time to time to see whether the performance of a project is deteriorating or improving. And the next one is the output is basically contains four output. First one is the work performance information. Work performance information is basically document information on how the project scope is actually performing when compared to the scope baseline, the cause for the scope variance, and the results that the change yield. Everything is documented under the work performance information. The entire process will provide a foundation for making scope decisions for the project. Next is the change request. The change request to the scope baseline or other aspects of the project management plan usually arise when analysis are carried out on the scope performance. Change request consist of preventive or corrective actions, defect repairs, or enhancements request. Then project management plan updates, which obviously includes the scope management and requirement management, etc. Project document updates is the last output of this process. Some of the documents that may need to be updated are the requirement documentation and the requirement traceability matrix. The requirement documentation describes how a project requirement meets a business needs. The matrix links the requirement to the need and help trace its development throughout the project lifecycle. Ensuring that both documents are up to date helps manage and control changes to a project scope. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.